Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I will be sharing with you some gift ideas that kids would love to receive. These are called Fidget toys, and they supposedly help manage stress and anxiety. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. For the first project, you will need this keyboard fidget charm. You will also need some polymer clay, silicone molds of snowflakes, some liquid clay, and a circular cutter. First, flatten out the clay into a thin setting. I placed mine in the number 6 setting on my roller. Then I punched out the circle. Next, I pushed the clay into the mold and shaved the excess with the tissue blade. Then, using my detail needle, I spread some liquid clay. Then I carefully popped the snowflake from the mold. I placed it at the center of the circle. Once this is fully baked, I get some sandpaper and sanded the bottom of the piece. I then attached this to the top of the keyboard fidget toy and glued it using some Loctite glue. I also have a version that is without the circle. It's a fun and simple gift that kids will definitely enjoy receiving. For the second project, let us make a worry stone. First, I got some tan clay and rolled it into a small circle. I then set this aside. Next, I got the red clay and rolled it into a bigger circle. I flattened this using a small glass mat. Then I pressed my thumb down to make an indent at the center. I got the mold of mittens and made some mittens that I attached to the side of the flattened circle. I then attached the smaller circle to the top of the bigger circle. I flattened some white clay and cut out a hat shape. I then placed this upside down to make Santa's beard. I went back in to texture it using a detail needle. Then I added more details to the face of Santa, as well as his hat. Before baking, I placed an eye pin on the side of the Santa so that I could attach a keychain to the worry stone. I also covered this with some Sculpey UV glaze. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you've gotten some useful ideas from this video for your next Christmas project. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!